hit subscribe.
We interrupt our program.
Always say no to jobs on driveways, kids. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then, what's that little hole? All the way down here. So it's door off. Yeah. Door off next, and then cut this out and weld it in. Oh yeah, it's all fun and games.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so that's the outer sill welded on, nice and neat. And then we've got this little section made up in here. And let's give them fiberglass, and then let's get this into some primer. So yeah, we're all panel wiped down, smoothed and filled. So let's get some etch primer on.
One eternity later.
Test fit the wing lid done with the stone chip and the painted edges. Next job, let's get this glass back in. So yeah, happy days. We have a nice sill fitted and a car ready for paint. Obviously the chassis rail will get done elsewhere, which I'm seeing. It's not in my job to clean up all that, even though I'd like to and paint it. And put the arse liner back in now, and we went in. We're on side 2. This one isn't as bad, but to be honest, it's swapping out. It's okay, but so far solid. I've checked it. I'm going to get this wing off. Yeah, that's fucked. Get this out because that causes the problems. And just quickly swap this wing, and then he can decide if I can salvage that, if he's not going to have the work done, and just come back in for another time. Just like that, those 3 bolts, and like this. I hope this should just pop out. It's a bit stiff, to be honest. Hold on. There we go. Keep safe. Lefty loosey. And wing removed. And this is why they rot out. Look at that. Scrap. Nothing like the other side. Solid top, solid bottom. Let's clean this up. Let's get some primer on it for him. And let's just get this in stone chip. Because I don't want him spending out on his welding when he's got to have that on the other side. Nice guy, I'm going to throw this in. Okay, so where are we at? I didn't do much blogging on this car, to be honest, but it is worth sharing and showing you. So let me flip you round. Yeah, so there's a sill with a temporary repair, so you can see the stone chip. When I say temporary repair, the whole car's getting painted, so the bottom will get the stone chips to go across. It's been welded in, smoothed out and all that kind of stuff. Nice. Door lines back up, lovely. The gaps are great on the car. Obviously I've painted the inner edges and relined everything, so that's good. Both sides were done. I didn't weld this side after all, because he needs to come back either for welding by myself, the other side, I'll show the video, or it needs to go somewhere else. But what I've done temporarily is I just ground that back, brushed on some stone chip, and then done in silver. But yeah, we are in, I need to push that up the arse liner. But yeah, one of the wings that came off. So yeah, that was rotten. You've seen all the metal I pulled off earlier, so that's scrap. Yeah, happy days. That's the jobs now, just reattach these. So if you ever need to know, you need to take this trim out, and you've got 3 8mm behind here. This glass comes out, and then you've got the 2 bolts for the wings, okay? So you've got 2 bolts here, you've got 2 bolts at the bottom here, you've got 1 in the wing here, and then you've got 1 here, okay? If you ever need to take a door off, let me show you how. See where I've drawn a line around so that it lines back up. You got this, okay? You got this 13mm, undo the connector, and then lift the door up. Always open the window bit so it gives you a bit of leverage. Just like that. Second trim on. So yeah, if you look at that, nice and neat. Door closes. Let's have a look. And yeah, we are laughing. So this car has had more work than Katie Price, okay? So it, unfortunately, it was a cat S. A guy didn't know, he should have done his checks. It will come back in it's going to have this done. You will see different shades of silver. It's having a full repaint. It's a DSG FR, so it is a good car. He is very deep into it, hence he's doing work on it. I hope you enjoy. I'm back on the Cosworth next week. There's loads of work doing that, so thanks to everyone who subscribed and enjoyed the journey. And yeah, I do need to cut that grass. But anyhow, until next time, see you soon. Hit like and sub. Actually, as I've taken it apart and done some welding on it, always worth out, stab myself in the back. Just take a steering lock off, hang on. Let's check start, shall we? Thank God for that. Right, really bad recording because it's night and I'm in this Seat, and you know what, right? It's DSG, and I don't drive an auto very often. It's literally left foot brake, and I nearly face planted the dashboard. So yeah, I just got a quick check, make sure it's okay. Yeah, it seems okay. There's no management lights on, all that kind of stuff. Always somebody up your backside, isn't it? Hold on a minute. Let's get this reversed into a drive. Yep, she's a good one. She is done and we are fixed. So yeah, happy days. It's all done. Apologies for this poor quality recording right now. Jesus Christ, I'm hanging off there. Right, that'll do. Until next time. Thanks for watching.